Hey guys, it's your girl Jessica, aka Makeup My Passion. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Come on in, friend. Welcome to my little piece of the internet, my little beauty world. If you like beauty, cover girl fashion, a little bit of lifestyle, and a little bit of mommy content, then you have found the right content creator. Like this video, comment down below, and most importantly, subscribe. Come on and join my little beauty world. Become a citizen. It's fun, tons of fun over here. Period. Alrighty, so I'm pretty sure you guys saw by the title. We got us a wig, y'all. We got us a wig, okay? We got us a wig. Okay, so this actually is not a new wig. Sis has been out for at least a few years now from the research that I did. But pretty much, as you can see, it is the Sensational Curls and Kinks. Curls and Kinks & Co. wig. It is a half wig, half textured wig to be more specific, in the style Role Model in a shade 1B. So I bet y'all wondering, Jessica, first of all, you got a head full of hair while you buying wigs, because I'm a new mom and I ain't got time. Second of all, not only am I a new mom and ain't got time, I need a wig that's I need to throw on and go, honey. Chop chop. I don't have the luxury to sit and do my hair like I used to. And I much rather allocate the time that I do have to get ready to beat this face. So, with that being said, give me a wig I can throw on and go. Little shink drink, okay? And that's what I think we got here. So I ordered this wig as well as its matching ponytail, because I think that would be a cute little kiki moment too. You will probably hear my little one because he is sitting right here next to me as I am filming. So if you guys hear him, say hello. But anyway, we're gonna try this wig out, okay? I'm not going to show y'all the civil rights struggle braids that I got going on underneath this here turban. Listen, just know, like I said, I'm a new mom, as you can hear. I am a new mom, and I don't got time to be dealing with my hair sometimes. I will say I do miss my natural hair, and we'll bring her out soon. But I really kind of want to just let her grow, so I'm going to leave her alone. Okay? So, without further ado, let's jump into this wig, honey. And I got her from Amazon. I'll make sure it's in my Amazon storefront and link down below. And she was a thrifty little slay, okay? She was like maybe, what, 20-something bucks? 20-something bucks for the low. And it's actually a wig that I have seen on so many other hair and wig influencers that I follow and watch and respect and all that other good stuff. So let me start just getting her out the package. Oh, we gonna need scissors. We gonna need scissors. Okay, hold on, say less. All right, so we're gonna cut this little string here. That's the stock card and what she looks like. Even though it's a half wig, I really think you can get away with rocking her as a full wig, but that's just me personally. And that's what I actually plan on doing. I also ordered some really cute, like festive holiday-esque kind of headbands to wear with this hair, because this may be the hair that I wear when we go take our holiday family photos. She's looking like straight out of the box. I like the curls because they look natural. These look like natural hair curls, like a perm rod set that you didn't let kind of set and dry, all that good stuff. Ooh, I will say she is small. It's giving it may be a little tight on your head, Jessica. Hold on. So it does have 2 combs on the inside, 1 big comb here and 1 big comb in the back, like the nape of the neck. She is definitely a half wig. We're gonna see. I got a big head, so I'm a little worried now because I feel like sis may not be giving what I thought she was gonna give. I don't know if I'll be able to rock her as a full wig, but let's try it and see. Hold on one moment. Let me try her. Okay, I can work with this. I can work with this, okay? She just needs a little shaping, okay? But I definitely think I can work with this. Let me see. So yeah, she is very much so a half wig, because as you can see, it's such a blunt, like, hairline. So how do I want to finesse this? How do I want to do it? Well, first I want to shake her out and kind of fluff her out. But I'm not going to hold y'all. Y'all can't tell me she's not cute like this. Y'all can't tell me she is not cute like this. Give her a nice little shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Okay. Let me just so y'all can really see. Oh no, she's cute. This is a cute little shink-da-dink, okay? Okay, so this is how I'm gonna give her a little flip over moment. We're gonna do her like that. We're gonna do her like that, do her like that. So how are we gonna hide this little piece that we flip over though? Okay, so oh yeah, she's cute. Definitely giving holiday hair. Definitely. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go in and figure out how to finesse this part so it's not super obvious. I think I'm going to bring a lot of my hair forward and out and try to cover that up as much as I can, even though my hair is in cornrows. But I love the fact that she's lightweight. She don't feel heavy at all. She don't feel like you'll get hot really quickly in her. And she's full. Honey. Listen. Tell me this wig ain't cute. Okay, let's finesse. Let me go get my edge control, and we're gonna finesse this wig right here. Hold on. So I've made it kind of a side part that I'm taking the comb. Making it real nappy right there. Okay. Okay. So I just made it like, I took this comb and just added some texture right there. See that? Okay. That's one way to finesse her. Okay. Take a little bobby pin right here. Finessed. Tell me it's not. Okay. I wish I had more of my edges out from these cornrows, but I don't. But let me see if I could pull some. Nope, I can't. So we're not even gonna try. And I'm not tripping if I get edge control on this hair. It's a $20 wig. It's a $20 wig, okay? She costed all of $20. Okay. Yeah. I'm not gonna say to run and get this wig, but honey, tell me she's not giving perm rod setting on her natural growth hair. My natural hair doesn't perm rod set like this. She does her wash and go. She does her big one with her wash and go. But does she perm rod set like this? No, she don't. Tell me that this wig is not giving perm rod set. Or crochet braids, crochet wig, crochet fro. Either way it go, I highly suggest. Honestly, I give her a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. And she's super lightweight. She's super cute. Very cute for the holiday season. Very cute for the girl that needs something to throw on and go. You know? Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty, so this is pretty much the wig. Once again, this is the Sensational textured half wig in their Curls and Kinks and Co collection in the style Role Model. Baby girl is eating, honey. She's eating. She's eating, okay? I just did a little finesse to the hairline so it's not super obvious. And I think, you know, I think it's cute. And if somebody come up to you and is like, oh, that's a half wig, it's clockable. They're too close to you, bitch. Back up. You don't know me like that. Anyway, but yes. So if you guys have made it through this video, thank you guys so much for watching. It's your girl, Jessica, a.k.a. That's right, baby. It's your girl, Jessica, a.k.a. Makeup My Passion. And yes, we just slayed this little $20 Amazon wig, honey, for the low. Now it's time to go. Alrighty, guys. Thanks.